everybody for joining us today. The next party of travelers, right this way. You're going to come around to my friend Brooks right there.
Alrighty, I'm going to have
Next to right here. Want to place your blues?
builder right there with this. Yeah, you're going to be right there with the two.
And all worked up for you here. Well done, my friends. You've all found your way here. Everyone has a place to be. Welcome. I know the workshop is it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now you might be thinking, we are surrounded by a lot of old junk. Rest assured, some of this is new junk. You will have the opportunity to meet Erica and Michael, Brooks, Felicia, Aaron, and Kyle, and you may call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the key to ensuring our future. How many of you know the legend of Luke Skywalker? Quite a few, good. And now we understand there is a new Jedi. Tell me her name. Rey, correct. A scrapper, just like us. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking, let's get started. We will begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. There are those who say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. For example, blue, as wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told, red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Great Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, as wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are those who call this the color of power. Crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. So, now it is time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. No peeking. Picture those Kyber crystals in your mind's eye. What color shines brightest to you? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and select your Kyber crystal. Well chosen, my friends. Now that you've selected those Kyber crystals, feel free to place them in the green crystal holder directly in front of you. Don't worry, we're going to get right back to you. They will not be alone for long. We are going to join them with the saber design that you have chosen.
for you today, Traveler?
We will begin by building a hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control. It is the part that prevents your hand from being disintegrated. Very important part. Now, as you look down, you will see the components for the saber design that you've chosen. You'll find a chassis, a selection of grips, emitters, pommel caps, and activation plates. Building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you selected your Kyber crystal, you will choose the pieces that make up your own individual lightsaber. The gatherers are here to help you along this path. So all of that being said, let's build.
Welcome, travelers. My name is Mike, and I'll be assisting you on your build for today. The first step, we'll be inserting our Kyber crystal right here into the center chamber of the chassis. Now, you'll notice a little bit of a spring action on the inside of the chamber where the lines are. That spring action is there to assist you in getting that crystal right in its spot. Now, once the crystal's in its place, you'll notice it glowing for you. But you can place the crystal either direction, point up or point down. I will also say that this is the hardest part of the build, but once we get past this, it's smooth flying here on out. Excellent work there, travelers. Very nice.
Having nails does not make this easy.
I have actually heard that that increases the difficulty by about 32%.
Oh,
But
all right.
let's make it 31%.
Yeah, right?
Perfect, perfect. All right, so now you're ready for the activation plates. You're going to choose either the bottom or the top set of plates there. Perfect. Now, once you have selected your pair, you'll notice a blue and red square on the backs. The blue and red square line up with the blue and red square here on your chassis. Blue slipping over and on top of blue, red slipping over and on top of red. Blue to blue and red to red. Now these plates are very important, travelers, because this is going to be how you activate and deactivate your sabers. There you go. You're fine, you're fine. Yeah, whatever is easiest for you, traveler, of course. Perfect. Now we're going to do some test runs. I'm going to have you flip that switch forward for me. Excellent, perfect. So now you can choose your grips. In front of me are 4 different grips. You can choose any 2 of those 4, and you can place them on any side that you like here, as long as the copper ring is towards the center.
Now I can just go.
That thing's pretty nifty there.
Hey, shoot your ass. Like to throw scrap out of the other.
Of course, of course. A lot of different types of scrap. A lot of things you can build with that scrap too. There we go. Okay, beautiful. Right.
Those are the same 2 I'm torn over.
Yep.
That's actually really smart. That's kind of like a sustainable build right there. A little bit of mixing the environment. So now you're ready for any 2 of the 4 grips that you see there in front of you. Placing the thick towards the center. Just like that, there you go.
Kind of like this.
Now, once you have found the grips that call to you, travelers, to secure them to the chassis, what you're going to do is push and twist. So you're going to push and twist, applying some pressure while you're twisting there. There you go. Excellent.
And I need to like buy the extra pieces.
I know the scrap is very hard to come by, of course.
I think I'm gonna go.
That's all right. Metal.
It's just a nod to
And that's going to be the thicker end for you.
What did you like about the style?
There you go. Perfect. Now to secure them, you're going to push and twist. Now once you've got your grips in place, you're ready for the final stages of your build. You'll choose one of the 2 emitters for the very top. That's going to be where the blade comes out of. And then one of the 2 pommel caps on the very bottom.
You like that one? That is pretty cool.
That one's got that flared edge on it. It's very nice. And then the pointed tip is also very interesting.
Man, I don't know. I really like this one.
Ooh, the metal work? Nice, and it kind of flows really beautifully.
I was really torn between these two.
The leather is definitely a good choice.
Yeah, this one just felt very
Now, do you mind if I check that one last time?
It's intentional.
Good choice.
Excellent sound to it.
Love it now. That is neat. Get it? Okay, last name.
Magnificent work side everyone's up. This is the activity. Just follow that cinch forward. Buy your saber life.
Get it?
That looks badass.
Very nice there. I see we're on our final piece of the build. Excellent, excellent.
See, I don't know. It's gonna be that, I think. I really like you don't like that?
See how it starts up here? And it kind of expands, brings you down, and then ends off really nice.
No, so look at that.
Yeah, you can always switch them out, see which one feels a little bit better right now.
This is good. I saw that you have another crystal to represent you, my friend. You're in good company. Luke Skywalker.
I don't know, this one just doesn't feel like it needs it.
Like, that would be a great pummel cap if you would have chosen the other.
Yeah, so these kind of match up a little bit better.
These are beautiful hilts, my friends. All of these reflecting different eras of force wielding, elemental nature, protection and defense, peace and justice, power and control. All of these reflecting different schools of thought as to how the force is meant to be wielded as well. My friend, how long have you been wanting to build a lightsaber? 50 years. There we are, since you first felt that call. My young friend in this corner, how long have you wanted to help build a lightsaber? Forever? Forever. Which, you know, can feel like 50 years. Absolutely. The point is, destiny has brought you here at this particular time for a particular reason. All of you are amongst one another for a particular reason. We don't necessarily have that overview. But the moment you walked in the door, the ripples started flowing throughout the galaxy. And history was made when you found your way here. All of you taking care of that. There we are. Now that we have a moment, take a look at what you have created. These are reflections of you and your choices. Honor those. You've all assembled your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened yet, which is good because this is the dangerous part of the process. I'm going to ask my builders and observers, please move away from the table, step away from your hilts. I want everyone to have the illusion of safety. Stabilize these crystals for activation. Simple process, unless we converted an emitter matrix. If we have done that, what do you think happens, my friends? Not a good time. Short answer, explosions. All that's important, do you both feel safe? You do? Good, that is two of you. I can work with that. Let me modulate these frequencies myself. We will see how this goes. What's happening?
With many perks you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is time. We are at the final stage of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In just a moment, I will ask my builders to step forward. You will place your hands on your hilts, and together, on my mark, you will activate. Is everyone ready? Then step forward, my friends. Hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, deactivate those sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. You hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your lightsaber as you depart, we will offer you a saber sheath. Our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy, and to remember that you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. And who knows, maybe next time, we'll be telling your stories. Till the spire.
All right, now we're joining us.
Very well done.